So hello editors, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in the previous video we learned how to apply beginner text effects. And today we are going to create professional and advanced level text effects inside After Effects. So without any wasting time, firstly let's see the preview.
Tell me this is it. If I tell you what happens, it won't happen. Very right now.
Alright, first of all, go to new composition. You can copy the width and height from here. For shorts videos, set it to 1440 and 1660. Then simply press OK. After that we'll add our text here. Simply go to T icon. You can also use Ctrl+T, then click here. Now we'll write our text. For example, I'll type slow edits. You can write anything you want. Now align it horizontally and vertically to bring it into the middle of the clip. After that, select a good font. You can use any font you like. Right now I'm using simple font just to explain things. Now this is in the quarter view, so change it from quarter to full. First of all, apply bevel alpha effect. When we add bevel alpha, it increases the sharpness of the text. You can see the difference. After that, we'll add deep glow. When we apply deep glow, the text becomes very glowing. Now set the exposure of the glow effect to 0.30. After that, we'll add drop shadow. Set opacity to 100% and distance is up to 8%. Softness amount up to 90%. Now we'll add another effect called as underscore edge rays. When we apply it, you can see these glowing rays coming out of the text. You can place them anywhere you want, up, down, right or left, but most professional writers usually keep them towards the top. Now set the rays brightness up to 2, then reduce it to around 0.40. Now look, it looks very good. After that we'll add another effect called gradient ramp. Search for gradient ramps and move it all the way above, even bevel alpha. Now we'll change the start color and end color. Set the start color to white, and for the end color you can choose any color you like. Once you apply gradient ramp, you'll see two signs, one on the top and one at the bottom. Now take the top sign using left click and drag it down towards the text. Bring it down until here. Then bring the bottom sign up to here as well. Now you can see if the color is blue. If the color is blue, the bottom area also becomes blue. And if we change it to green, then it becomes green instead. This is how we create text animations and color effects. After that, apply slow fade on. Now slow fade on has been applied, then we'll add fade out slow. When we apply fade out slow, you can see how smoothly the text disappears. Look at this, slow edit appears very smoothly. Then we'll add one more effect called increase tracking. Now we've added the increase tracking effect. Then you'll see two keyframes. One will be at the beginning and second one will be here. Simply move the second keyframe to the end point where your text finished. Now the tracking amount will be around 40. Change it 40 to 6%. Remember, don't increase it too much, otherwise it won't look good. Now look at this, it looks really smooth and clean. For extra smoothness, make sure to turn on motion blur. This gives the text extra smooth movement and makes it look more advanced. Sometimes in advanced text effects we also add stroke. So again click on T icon, now select the word Editz. You will see the caption, you will see an option called fill and stroke. Turn on stroke and turn off fill option. As soon as you do that, the text will automatically look like this. Now you can see how clean and beautiful this load edit text looks after adding the stroke effect. You can also highlight the text and increase the size however much you want. Then again go to align and select align horizontally, then align vertically. You can also add another effect called sharpen. Sharpen makes the text look more bold and clean and clear. Set the sharpen amount up to 35%. Now you can see sharpening has been added. This is the before and this is the after. There is a slight difference, but you can clearly see the text is now sharper and the text is now sharper and cleaner. Now that's it for today guys. So you all support my tutorials, shorts and edits so much. You give them a lot of love and likes. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe and share, and also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever our latest video comes out first. Thank you so much.